Welcome to the English class.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Join soon, beta.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
वीडियो यहाँ से ऑन होगा ठीक
हाँ,
मेन्यू छोटा
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Morning. Everything is okay, beta.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to start chapter
Yes, sir.
number 4. This is your new chapter. I want. I want. See the page number 29. You will have to open a book.
Sir, open. Sir, open.
See the page number 29, beta.
इंग्लिश का निकालने के लिए बोल रही है ना सुना था ना
English का तो कोई हो नहीं रहा.
Now ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Before starting this chapter, you need to know these words I
Sir,
have
किसमें
given.
लिखे हैं?
What, beta?
सर लिखे किसमें लिखे सर?
Copy. In your clear copy. In your English first copy. I mean, you have to note it
मम्मी वो चाचा के बुलाता.
in your English first notebook. Shall I start, beta?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir. बुलाना.
Good.
बुलाना एक वीडियो नहीं खेलो कतमास.
Now,
फिर वीडियो लोगों से कम
look here.
इतना लोग को चलने ना.
Your first word is want.
Yes, sir.
W-A-N.
सेकंड
What is this, beta? How to read this word?
आगे है ना
Listen. Want.
हाँ लेके आवाज.
Want. Everything is okay there?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my video?
Then next.
Okay, beta.
Yes, sir.
Everything is fine there?
Yes, sir. Then next.
Come to the next word. That is
Mute everyone.
wise.
Sir.
Mute everyone.
W I
W
S
S
wise.
Y
Wise. How to read this
Wise.
word, beta? Wise.
Y
Clear?
Yes.
Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now come
Why,
to the
sir?
third word. S T
S
R O
R
N
O N
strong.
G
Strong.
song
How to read this word?
Strong
Strong.
Strong
Very good. Now,
Strong
come to the number 4. Sit. Sit down. W I S H E S. Wishes. Wishes. Is it clear? Next one. Number 5. M A Z I C.
Magic
Magic. Very good.
Magic
W
Magic
A N G. Want.
Wand
Magic
Sir, wand
wand. Is it clear?
Wand Yes sir
Good. Come to the next one.
Blow
That is your
Sir, blow.
number 6.
Sir, blow
Very good. Okay.
Blow
One.
Blow
Right. B L O
L O
blow.
W
What is this?
Blow.
Blow. Blow.
Blow
Now next. S
Terrace
T R E C E S. What is this? Are you able to read this one? What is this one? Number 7. Tell me. Touches. Is touches.
Stretches
Is touches? No. Is touches. Touches. Are you getting my voice clearly?
Yes sir
Touches. Number 8. A W F U L. What is this, beta? Awful. Is it clear?
Yes sir
Now, number 9.
Sit down
T
Sit down Sit
R U N K. Trunk. Trunk. Are you getting my voice?
Yes sir Thank you
Now, number 10.
Yes sir हो गया
S T E
M
R. What it is?
S T
Monster. What is it, beta?
Monster
Monster.
Monster
Okay.
Sir monster
Now, you need to know. Relax. Okay, beta. Yes, yes.
सब कॉपी में लिखना है कॉपी पे लिखना है कॉपी पे लिखना है
Yes, beta. Okay.
अपन लिख देना सब कॉपी पे लिखना है सब कॉपी में लिखना है
Now,
आवाज नहीं आ रही है
you need to.
Sir, I have completed study lesson.
Good.
No, sir. No, sir.
Good, beta.
No, sir. No, sir. Sir, completed.
Listen to me. Very good. All are doing your work. I'm very happy. You need to know their meaning. Want means? Beta want means?
Yes, sir. Want.
Sir. Just die. Want means?
No, sir. No, sir.
Want means?
No, sir.
It's okay.
सर इरेज कर दीजिए नो सर नो सर नो सर
Number 2, wise.
सर इरेज करिए
Wise means clever.
नो सर करिए नो सर
Number 3 is strong. Strong means powerful, forceful. Try to know the English meanings. Wishes. Wishes means desires. Wishes means beta desires. Now, mercy.
कर दीजिए
Mercy.
नो सर सर इरेज कर दीजिए
Mercy.
नो सर सर इरेज कर दीजिए कर दीजिए नो सर नो सर ये नो सर इरेज कर दीजिए नो सर इरेज कर दीजिए सर
Now, come to the 6. Below. Is it below? B-E-L-O-W? No. B-L-O-W. Blow. Below and blow. These are the two different words. They have different meanings. Below, B-E-L-O-W. And this is blow. B-L-O-W. Blow. Blow means throw. Now, statues. Statues. Statues means what? To pull something to make it longer. That is stitch. To stitch. To pull something to make it longer. So here, you will try to know their English meanings. Next word, awful, means what? Dreadful. Terrible. Is it okay? Now, 9, trunk. An elephant nose. Elephant nose. This is trunk. Now, next word, monster. A strong person. A very strong person. You can say it other way, giant. Giant. G-I-A-N-T, giant, means what? Monster. So, I hope that you will understand these words very well. Now, I repeat it once. Want, wish, wise, clever, strong, powerful, forceful. You have to know at least one word. Wishes, desires. Magic want magic stick. Blow means throw. Stitches, to pull something to make it longer. Stitches. Awful, dreadful, terrible. Trunk, an elephant nose. This is your nose, like this. Elephants have nose. Elephant have trunk. Here, monster means giant. A strong person, you can say, monster. Now, I hope that everyone understood these words well, and we have to move next. Means what? Now, with the help of these words, you try to know, you try to understand this chapter. Very well. So, see. Now, look at your book. See the page number 29. I want to be big, says little monkey. I want to be strong. Here, a little monkey says, I want to be big. This is his desire. It is his desire. What does he want? He wants means what? A little monkey wants to be big. Big means? I know everyone knows it very well. Big. Raise your hands. Big, you know, beta? Big. B-I-G. I want to be strong. Means I can say here, a little monkey says, I want to be big and strong. I want to be powerful. I want to be forceful. A little monkey says so. Now, after that, a wise, a clever woman hears him. Hears him. He means little monkey. A wise woman, hears him. What does she hear? Just see that line. What happened here? You will try to know. Take this magic wand. take this magic wand. Take. Who told? A little monkey told. No. A wise woman told. A little monkey. She says, and all your wishes, all your desires can come true. This is your magic stick. And this stick will help you to fulfill all desires. So if you want, you may use this stick. This is a magical stick that women gave him. Magic stick. Now, after that, a giraffe comes by. Means a little monkey sees a giraffe coming near. By the tree. Look at the picture, beta. Yes, now here. Yes. He stretches, means a giraffe stretches his long neck. See, his long neck, and he eats the sweet leaves at the top of the trees. Means a giraffe tries to eat the sweet leaves, and for this, he stretches his neck to reach there. Means a giraffe wants to eat the sweet leaves on the top of the trees. So what happened here? The little monkey wants, what does he want here? He wants a long neck like a giraffe. And he says, pop. What does he say here? He says, means the little monkey says, pop. After that, he gets a long neck like a giraffe. Very interesting, beta, yes. And now, he is very happy. See? Look at the picture. See, beta, yes, here. Yes. Meanwhile, an elephant is coming down to the river. Suddenly, he sees one elephant coming. down to the river. And he fills his trunk with the water. What happened? After that, you will see here. He blows. Blows means to throw. It means water all over himself. I want to do that too. The little monkey wants to do something like an elephant does. And the elephant came down to the river. The little monkey tries to follow. Same thing, like an elephant is able to do. Elephant is able to do means what? Elephant is blowing the water all over his body. So I want to do so. I want to do something similar like an elephant. And he says, means what? The little monkey says, bang, with this particular sound. He gets, now beta, yes, turn the page, yes, page number 30. He grows a trunk. Trunk means elephant nose, a long nose of an elephant. Trunk. And now he's very, very happy. Means the little monkey very, very happy. This is fun. This is a very pleasant activity. This is a very pleasant ditto. He says, next, little monkey sees a zebra. Now, zebra beta, yes, see. Yeah. I want steps like those. He says, I want steps. Steps means what? Long, narrow, straight lines. Straight lines, beta, yes, see. Now here, you can see the picture. Steps, see. And he says, whiz, whiz, with the sound. He has got steps all over his body, means full body as. Steps means, once again, I repeat this word, steps. Long, narrow lines. Steps. Yeah. Just like the zebra. Now again, the little monkey is very, very happy. Once again, now beta, he's very, very happy. Yeah. But still we have 10 minutes. So I want to ask something. See. see the page number 30. All of you.
Yes, sir.
I heartily request to everyone, please. 30. See the page number 30.
Sir,
He is very, very happy. Today I finished here. Any doubt, Peter? Any
no,
doubt?
sir. No, sir.
Very good. Chapter is very good. Everyone is
Yes, sir.
everyone is able to understand.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Story, beta. Story. Look at the picture. See
Yes,
here.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now, see the picture. See. Is there any problem? You will
No,
learn.
sir.
You will learn.
No, sir. Yes.
You will be
Yes,
able to
sir.
learn how to read the chapter correctly. Are you sure, beta? Is there any doubt? In reading our book? Reading?
No, sir.
Okay? Okay, beta?
Yes, sir.
पहला लेटर क्या लिखा है समझ
Now.
नहीं आ रहा है एक बार फिर से बता दीजिए
What, beta? Tell me.
पहला लेटर फर्स्ट लेटर सर फर्स्ट लेटर
That one, beta.
यस
Want.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Want means wish. W-I-S-H. Wish. Want means wish. What do you want? What do you want? I want to be strong. What do you want? I want to be big. What do you want? I want to be a giraffe. What do you want? I want to be a zebra. What do you want? I want to be an elephant. Try to understand the first word.
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
And what about this chapter? Story. Any doubt? About
No,
the story,
sir.
beta? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Everything is fine?
No, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir.
Everything is fine?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Any doubt, beta?
No,
ग्रामर
sir.
का किताब ना
No, sir.
सर
No doubt.
सर ग्रामर की किताब ना सर
What?
Marigold.
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 Okay. Once again,
सर दिखलाइए
I
मेरी को की सर बुक दिखलाइए
see, beta.
ओके सर सर है सर है
See. This is the story, and this is about a little monkey. He wants to be strong. He wants to be a wise woman. I mean that she is a fairy. Comes to know about little monkey. He is very keen. He has intense passion. He is very ambitious. Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
नहीं घुसा उनकी चाची का
The old woman a magic wand. You can say a magic rod.
अरे पता है मुझको।
It was not common. Listen to me, beta. Yes. And he
नहीं सर।
wants to use this magic stick. If you want anything else, who told so? The old woman said to a little monkey. While a giraffe yeah, and he achieved long neck to get the sweet lips.
सर समझ में नहीं आ रहा है।
What, beta? Tell me.
आपकी आवाज आ रही है।
I'm getting your voice, beta.
क्या होता है?
He's able to
Want to be there, you see little pigs
the sweet lips of the top of the
and
I want a long neck.
that information that
And
इसको लिखना है।
makes a sound pop.
इसको लिखना है।
What, beta?
इसको लिखना है।
Copy. Yes. In copy, yes.
सर इसको लिखना है।
Yes, beta. In your copy, yes. Yes, in your fair copy. You have to write in your
किसकी कॉपी है?
Now,
सर किसकी कॉपी?
time is over. Hurry up. I hope that you are very well.
Yes, sir.
That's enough. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining. That's enough.
और ये आवाज नहीं सुना। सर व्हाट्सएप में आया है। व्हाट्सएप पे लिखना हुआ है।
Thank you. Thank you for joining us.
सर आवाज नहीं सुना दे रहा है। सर आपकी आवाज नहीं सुना रहा है।
But I'm
सर आज नहीं
I'm getting Thank you. Everything is fine. Okay.